do you have some extra egg roll wrappers, some spring roll wrappers hanging around? He's like, got a couple of them. I don't know what to do. I don't want to make an egg roll. Today I'm going to show you something cool to do with those leftover extra egg roll wrappers. I've got a bag here of some Yakisoba noodles that I bought at Costco. I'll show you a picture somewhere on the screen here. That's going to be real simple. And egg roll wrappers, I've got one egg roll wrapper here and a couple of regular spring roll wrappers. You can do it with either one of them. So first thing I'm going to do is take a little bowl. I'm using a stainless steel bowl because it's going to go in the Ninja Foodi. So a little bit of olive oil in there, just so it doesn't stick, and it also will help crisp the outside a little bit. So I'm going to get some along the edge here. Okay, and this is so you don't have to wash dishes afterwards. If you make a bunch of these, put them in the, in a drawer somewhere in a cabinet, you don't have to wash dishes later. All right, so you just tuck this in like this, and the oil will help it stick. So what I'm doing is just making sure that it's all up against the wall of the bowl here. Okay, just pressing it in, and the oil again is going to help hold that together. Okay, and bring the flaps down. That'll give it a nice cool effect. Makes it look like a flower. All right, so it's just going to get a little bit of oil on there, just to kind of help with the that floury taste and texture. So we got all that in there. Next step, get it into the Ninja Foodi. So I'm doing it with the Air Crisp basket in there. So put that in the center, turn the power on, go to Air Crisp, 400 degrees. And this is only going to be like a couple of minutes. So we're gonna go with 2 minutes. Start. And when it gets nice and toasty and crispy like a potato chip, it's done. While that's going, I'm going to take the Yakisoba noodle here. It's got vegetables and the noodles. It's all frozen, again, from Costco. These come in single serve packages. You just tear open the corner, get it in the microwave for 3 minutes, then it's ready to go. So while this is cooking, I'm going to get this in the microwave. I've got the egg roll wrapper right here and done. It sat in there for 5 minutes. I wanted to get nice and crispy, so you take a look at that. Look at that, nice, like a bowl and a flower. All right, but you do want to make sure that it cools off. This thing was screaming hot. So let it cool off and it'll harden for you. So now, before we eat it, we're gonna make it look pretty. So we're gonna take this nice little bowl, take the yakisoba, 3 minutes. So we're just gonna tear open this like this. We're gonna just get it all in there. Nice, like that. And we're gonna fix it up a little bit. Just fluff it up. Okay, you get some of these vegetables here on the top. Now, you can add seasoning to it, some sesame seeds, something. Just gonna add just a little bit of soy sauce for flavoring. 5 minutes total. Cook time here, 3 minutes in the microwave, and you're done. So here it's just something cool to do with an egg roll wrapper. You can just take this with you. I wouldn't let your wife see it though. You eat this on the couch, she's gonna kill you. So let's just dig in. And I'm sure these are good because I've had video on this before. Awesome. Now we take a look at this one here. Makes, ooh, that's still hot. Now you can, when this is done, you can add a salad to it. Maybe some shrimp, some steamed rice. Make it any way you like it. You know, add anything you want. You can add some dip, maybe put some chips in there. Who knows? You know, some pretzels, whatever you like. Use your imagination. Hope you enjoy watching these videos. We appreciate all the support we get from you guys. Give us some likes, give us some shares, and I read all your comments, so keep them coming. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.